your boy Keys. Welcome back. We have crypto to pay to become bigger part of Google Pay. So guys, your boy Keys will live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. We're reviewing this article. So if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to like, share this video, drop your comments in the comment section, and also most importantly, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you find any of our uploads beneficial or informative. So guys, back to the article. We have your cryptocurrencies are now set to become a major part of Google's Pay. So according to reports, Bloomberg writes that the tech giant wants to entice users by making the most out of partnerships established with the likes of Coinbase and BitBay. So as part of the collaborations, Google Pay users can store their crypto assets on digital cards, which can then be converted into fiat currencies whenever purchases are made. So Arnold Goldberg, a former PayPal executive, is going to be running Google's payment division, and all of this comes as the search engine behemoth abandons plans to move into banking. So Google's president of Commerce Bill Reddy told the news outlets that the company has no intention of being a bank, and instead it wants to integrate payment features into its search and shopping results. So looking ahead, Google plans to offer a comprehensive digital wallet that can accommodate everything from digital tickets and airline passes to vaccine passports. So already added. So crypto is something we pay a lot of attention to as user demand and merchant demand evolves. Will evolve with it. In separate development, Google has launched a unit focused on blockchain and other next generational distributed computing and data storage technologies. So guys, that's all we have on Common Cars vlog. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Peace out guys, and see you in our future uploads. Bye guys.